Measure about 16 centimeters on a taro purple pipe cleaner. Twist both ends to secure. Bend the longer side into a small loop and twist to fix it. Use another taro purple pipe cleaner to fill the petal. Shape it into a fan. Make 2 large petals. Fold 1 taro purple pipe cleaner in half. Twist at 4 centimeters. Fold both ends downward. Thread one end through the center and twist together. This forms the center petal. Fold another taro purple pipe cleaner in half. Measure 4 centimeters on each side. Twist each side to form 2 small petals. Take half a taro purple pipe cleaner. Fold it in half and twist at 2 centimeters. Twist both ends again at 1 centimeter. Curve the tip upward to shape the lip. Use elastic thread to secure the 2 large petals and the lip first. Then attach the center petal and the 2 small petals. Take 1 floral stem. Use elastic thread to secure the flower onto the stem. Wrap the entire stem with floral tape.